30 și ceva de pipuri, 40 aproape.
Păi?
Asta e singura chestie. Și buy-urile le-am luat aici, uite.
Okay, we are live today on the New York session, another day. Okay. So let's see how it's going on GJ. Yeah, we formed such good resistance in this area right here, but we also hit the target we're talking about on Friday, I think. No, not on Friday, on Wednesday last week. We almost approached this target right here, 154 and now almost 155. Okay, well, right now there are no news incoming today, so I mean, yeah, we have on speaks, but they don't move the market so hard. Okay, so let's take a look on gold right now. So gold at the moment, we are in such a bullshit range right here. Okay, this is a daily weekly resistance right here. Let's see what's going on daily. Well, daily have this support right here. Okay, and this target right over here at 200 pips away, and right now we need a confirmation above these candles right here. Okay, I'm going to move this weekly resistance above there, and for the first target can be right here if we closed above 100 above 1764.10, but right now, yeah, there's a pretty big range right here. We almost break this high on 1 hour, but without a break and close right here. I don't know. Yeah, we can probably lose this entry right here. It can push more up, but a stop right now, it's around 70 pips. God, it's not okay. We need a closure on, okay, 15 minutes close like this, and this one start to push very high, start to push 40 pips push. Let's see on 5 minutes. Yeah, on 5 minutes probably, yeah, there can be a good entry point right there, 35 pips away. Okay, so let's see how is this going to close. Okay, if you are taking a look on this side right here, you probably can continue up until there with a strong push above this area. Okay, on 5 minutes, and we can go even more. Okay, God, yeah, nice push. 80 pips, 24 pips. Yeah, there's no closure here. It just break and flew. Alright, just break and flew all over the way. But there was no stops. It was just a rush here, probably on this. Yeah, probably this 5 minute can go even more up, and this can be a very aggressive stop with a risk reward of 101, but nah, it's not that cool. Anyway, the best entry right here could be there after this retest and this area right here, where the market just grabs some liquidity to move up, and probably after this candle, because we don't break the lows and we break the highs after this candle, yeah, around 16 pips. First target right here at 14 pips. Damn, it was such a good trade, but yeah, right now I think we missed the move. In GJ, yeah, well, in GJ there's no like there's no it's not that much volume on GJ because it's New York session right now, and the most volatile pairs are those with US dollar in them. Yeah. Anyway, pretty cool move which happened at 16:30. Very cool. I didn't expect this to happen today because tomorrow we have CPY, and I thought that okay, probably tomorrow the gold will start to move. Alright. Okay, let's see. On GJ we start to push back up because we don't have a wick right here. Also we grab liquidity at this area. Okay, at this area right here. Why is this green? Yeah, they make it gray. Okay, and probably with a candle closure bullish on 15 minutes we can start to move up. At that point we have 100 pips. 5 minutes is about to close. Well, yeah, it's pretty big range right here. 26 pip range for the stop, and probably the first target it's right here plus 30 pips, but we don't know. Let's see on 1 minute. Yeah, probably on 1 minute, if there is such a retest at this area right here, or probably not right here, probably right there, it can do something like this, and then after this pattern it can probably go up again, but at that point we need more confirmation on this 1 minute structure, because this is a daily resistance right here and we are closed. Well, we are closed kind of above this area with the last 15-minute candle. Yeah, we'll see. 5 minutes can be a good one because it can close in a bullish candle, and yeah, probably there can be better entries there, but I'm thinking I'll stay close on 1 minute to see the volume right here, and then probably I'm going to enter some trades. Yeah, gold is pushing. Yeah, probably it can push even more up right here because there's so much volume in the market, and it can probably go up even more. But right now it's so risky. Yeah, this is the pattern that I'm watching, that I want to see on GJ. The same exactly pattern right here. This is the exactly pattern right here. Boom, 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 and then it can go up. This right here, the same, exactly the same pattern. Exactly the same pattern. This will mean that the price didn't takes the low and it took the highs but not the lows, so there can be such a great like some entries right here because we hit a point right there. Well, I'm going to enter in a trade 17 pips. Well, this is okay. I was ready to hit on this one. Okay, so right here I'm going to place a trade, a buy on GJ right now. I'm going to place my stops right there. Okay, and if these 5 minutes will be taken, I'm going to cut 50%. There is a low risk trade, but I want to see on 5-minute candle right there a very good pattern as I see on gold. Yeah, on gold right now we break this high and probably it can move more up. It can go more up, even more up. 30 minutes. It's about to close in. Yeah, it was a very cool push right here. So cool. Yeah, but I didn't expect it and I didn't watch it. All I can do right now is sit back and see how it's going. Nah, 10 pips. There's no way to enter in this trade right now. Let's focus on GG. Okay, so let's see 5 minus 5 pips on GG right now at that point. So I said that we have this liquidity area right over here where we just grab liquidity in all this area. Okay, we got a range and then a pull up. So let's see. Okay, let's see how this 1 minute candle it's about to close. I'm probably going to add some position because once this candle is closed, because it start to form my pattern that I want to see, automatically the risk gets increased. But there are solo points right here when you can buy 53, 54. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it's about to close. Okay, it closed bullish. Let's buy another 0.6. Let's go right there. Okay. Alright. Let's see how it's going. What the fuck? What's this? Okay, I place a stop. TP. Okay. My mistake. Alright, so let's take a look. Start pushing down. Well, 50 minutes is about to close, bearish, and 5 minutes took this low. Okay, let's cut half both position right there, and let's see where this is going to move. Yeah, it breaks below this. I don't want to say let's cut more from this position right there, and from this one too, because there are very low chances right now for it to move up because it breaks the structure. It can make the double bottom on 1 minute right there, but it's so like it's very hard because the 15 minutes didn't go back on a bullish direction, and 30 minutes it's close, also bearish. There are 1 more minute. Yeah, I'm going to exit. Maybe it's better like this. Okay, let's see how it's going. Alright, yeah, I think it will start move even more down because it closed so bearish. Even on 15 minutes, 13 minutes, 1 hour, yeah, it start to retrace, boss, what the fuck, boss, motherfucker. Well, let's see if I'm willing to risk more right there, because we have a very strong momentum on bearish side. So I think it's a good opportunity for the price to move even more down. But yeah, it looks okay. It looks okay because this is the weekly. Now it's the daily resistance right here. So we start to move it down at this resistance. Okay, let's take a look on gold. Yeah, it can probably retrace too, but also I think if we can break above, we can enter in it. Okay, GJ start to push down. Okay, this. Okay, 6 yard is so low on risk, it's not a big deal. Let's take a look on this. Yeah, it probably can also, it wants to grab some liquidity in this area probably, because nobody wants to buy right now, it's so high. Okay, let's see. We break below this low, and the target is right here, but on GJ right now, this is so hard because I expected a move like on gold, and I don't know if there's enough volume for to push the GJ even more down, and this is the only problem I see right now. This is the only problem I see right now, but I mean, there are many chances for this trade to push back up, and it can be my final trade right there. But it also can move up. And for a bigger picture in this trade, we hit a daily resistance and we push back down. We probably can break below this low right here, which is formed today. No, oh yes, it's formed today, from the beginning of the day right here. But we also can make something like a rejection area right here, and this is probably the best target for GJ right now, is the low of the daily. The low of the daily, we are not anymore in the London session or Japanese session, I mean Asian session, and this right here, it's the best target. But now I have to manage the position, because we have, for example, right here another area of rejection, and it's kind of like two ranges right there. But and also we are in an uptrend, but with this big rejection right here, which is so close of the daily resistance, we can push back now and we can flip bearish. 4 hour is bearish and 1 hour is bearish too. So yeah, it can be like a trend reversal right here on swing trading. This is a perfect way for a trading reversal, and probably the first target will be right there at 24 pips. But if this low it's break, we can continue to fill this wick right here on 4 hour. this bigger wick, because we know that on 4 hour the wicks with volume the wicks are filled, and yeah, it's a pretty cool view right there. Because if daily start to push back up, I mean start to push down, this is the first target, the real first target on higher time frames right here. This for this 4 hour candle. Because it can make right now the structure we're talking about on higher time frames right here. Yeah, it's probably there. Okay, so we're talking about the strategy or the pullback right there. So it can push more down, because right now, even if we're looking right back up or down, we have these rejection right here, we have this clear traffic right here. So this support, it's right at my area, my target area right there. So yeah, we have to wait, and I'm willing to lose another 6 euros, and for the day I'll be up even more than I want to lose, because right now I lost 10, which is 2% of my account, and it's not a pretty big deal because it's not that bad, but it's enough for the day. So I want to see how this is going, because it can probably make lower high and lower lows, and probably if I'm going to put my stop loss break even, this will be the best idea. But also I'm afraid that it can comes back up and touch my break even, but it's not a problem anyway. Let's see how it's the 5 minutes. Yeah, right now the 5 minutes can probably come back at the entry and make a retest at that point right here, because okay, what's this TP? Put it right there. Okay, so it can come back up and start to make a retest at that point, at that level right there, which is not bad, which is perfectly, because we need a retest at different areas in the market. About the 1 hour right here, I think it's a pretty good stop. So if I'm okay for losing $6, this is probably the best tops, the best top right here. Can do better, and this right here, the best TP. It's all about the zones, it's all about the areas in the market, and yeah, it's a pretty cool target. It's about the 30-minute candle, the 1 hour candle, and the 15-minute candle, not the actual 15-minute candle. It's above the, I don't know how to say, second, previous. I have right here my Duchessa. How it's going? Sorina, say hi to the nobody. All right. it start to move in a bearish structure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, and retest could be right somewhere right there. Okay, but we don't know. We have to wait. Alright, let's take a look on gold on trading view. Alright, so yeah, it started to come in our trading area right here that we posted today. It hit also the resistance right here. So cool. Well, above the resistance, above here, we can have a trade of 30 pips above this resistance. But look how slow it moves right now. It moves so slow. Compared to this move right here, it's so slow. We have to wait. I also want to see a 30-minute candle closure right there, because if you are not coming back to this area, yeah, if I come back to this area, there's no other point in this range for to be afraid. And yeah, right now, okay, so gold and GJ do the same thing. Okay, when gold pull back, GJ pullbacks too. This is a thing that I've seen for a while. So look, right now gold push back up and GJ push back down. I mean, when when gold is bullish, not always, but many times gold is bearish, and same when gold is bearish, GJ it's bullish. There, I've seen these moves uh, for a while, and I'm watching these things like, yeah. Okay, right here we form a low, it start come back up. Okay, right here at probably -5 pips, I'm going to cut if this thing is about to close here. I'm waiting this right there. Okay, okay. And gold, of course, start to push bearish to form a favorable structure to buy, and also with GJ4 to form a structure for selling. Let's see. Okay, 1 minute for this candle to close. $15 closed like a very weak candle. So right now, I think, well, I don't want to lose more than 2% a day, so I'm going to cut to close my entire trade. Well, it's around 10 euros, which is like almost 2.5%, I think. Let me check. I don't really know. Oh, it's around It's around the stop right now, but it also can move down. Yeah, perfect. So it's around 2.5%, 2.6%. It's even more. But no, it's around 2.45, 2.55%. But it doesn't matter. What does matter is this right here. But because I made a mistake, I can't re-enter and recut and cut the position, because then I will be down more than 2%, which is my target. So right now all I can do, and I'm not going to risk more, is to watch these moving in my direction and to watch me just do nothing. I'm just watching right now. Let's see, 5 seconds. Look at this, how beautiful is this. This is like 12 pips top. First target 12 pips, 101, 1-1 reward, and the target is also right there. It's perfect. It's perfect. But I can't lose more money, because if I'm not going to be disciplined, I'm going to be fucked. Right now we are talking about 10 euros. But what if I can lose 1,000? I can lose 1,000 at once, and then I'm gonna harass them with positions that I've seen in the market. No, I have to be more disciplined. I have to stop, watch stupid things, and enter at them to say like, oh my god, how good I am. No, no, no. It's not how it works. It's not how it works. This is so cool right there. This is the target, okay, right here, the 800, 153, 800. Cool. Nice, also on gold. Also on gold. If this 5 minutes close bullish, I mean it can break this high right now, but if this 5 minute close like a little candle bullish, yeah, it can go up, but it's so hard right now. It counts right there when we grab some liquidity. It can push back even more, around 1764 or 65. Yeah, cool, GJ. Yeah, there's the point. Right now, well, I lost a lot of money by chasing trades, and this cost me, for me right now, it's a lot. And what I can be sure is that it's so stupid to chasing trades. There's the worst thing you can do to chasing trades. So for me right now, it's okay that I lost around 2.5. It's okay, it's around 2%. I don't want to lose more than 2%. I don't want to lose 3%. I want to lose 2% a day. If I lost like this, they are like small losses. As you can see there, I had around, I don't know, probably 20 euros for this target. It's okay, it's perfectly fine. Like right here, for some, let's say it's like 20 pips top, we got 40, it's 102. I risk around, I don't know, 12 and I made 24. This is so cool. So yeah, 5 minutes right now closed in a bullish candle. It's in the area where it grabs the liquidity, probably above this break. I mean after the break right here, it can move up until this area, which is around 15 pips. 15 pips, yeah. Or it can go more down, because this is a resistance right here and it closed bearish, so we don't know. The 1 hour is still open, 30 minutes it's still open. It doesn't mean that one candle don't move the direction. One candle just show us something. What it show us right now is that, well, gold just come back in this area right here at this week, okay, to grab some liquidity. Right now, for an entry point, we can have either for 8 pips stop loss or 18 or 22 pips stop loss, and probably it can continue moving up around this point right here, which is 60 pips. Let's watch, let's see. It's about the long run. Yeah, first target is right here at probably 30 pips. For this entry it's around 50 pips, and I'm cool with that. I'm okay. Okay, it start to push up. We have 4 minutes for this candle to close. Well, it's not that bad. I'm so happy that I'm not entering in another trades. I can afford to lose more money, but if I start to lose more than I want to lose, I feel like a loser. So yeah, GJ do the thing that I said. So he just came back here for a retest, and right now it can go down even more. Let's watch this beautiful trade right here. I'm happy because probably I do the correct choice. I choose to exit at break even this trade because I couldn't afford to lose more than 2%. In my opinion, it was a bad thing to lose that amount of money. And well, it's not about the money, it's about the fact that I want to be disciplined. So this is what I'm working right now. I'm working at discipline. Okay, so discipline is not buy, sell, buy. Oh my god, exit, close, it comes back down. Oh my god, close, exit. Oh, yeah. It's not about this. It's about a very correct choice and to be at your perfect comfort level when you trade. And I'm not. Yeah, if I want to enter in many trades, if I want to enter in 10 trades a day, well, I'm about to risk less per trade. I'm not going to risk 2% a trade. I'm going to risk probably 0.5% per trade. And this can be cool. You can lost 4 trades for 2% risk. But I have to manage those positions, so yeah, it's okay. Probably right now I'm not okay with the money I've made, but in time I'll be okay. This thing will work so good because if I'm build confidence and experience right now with execution and the drama that I can take those wonderful trades right there and those wonderful moves without my daily loss target being hit. So if I can't do this, it's not good. Okay, it does the same thing that I wanted to watch here. It does this little flag. Let's say it flag to it forms lows, and it shows that it didn't take the highs but the lows, and it prepare for a probably big move down. This is my opinion. I know probably I'll be wrong, but for me it's beautiful for a sell. And yeah, gold right here, I can easily see this target to be hit around 30 pips. Yeah, it's so cool. But also, I've entered in so many stupid trades, and right now it will be wrong for me to enter in this trade because let's say I'm in it, okay? So I buy because, well, emotionally I took a trade on gold right now because, well, it moves in my direction for a while, okay? Like it moves bullish for, I don't know, 10 pips at that point, okay? It moves bullish for 15 pips. Let's just say I'm entering it and it comes back down. And if I'm not losing a big amount of money, but I won't be okay and I won't be cool with the loss. Either it will be $1, €1, €2, €5. I won't be okay with it because my target and my psychological level right now, my target was hit, and what I'm doing right now is to chase money. And if I'm chasing money, many times I lost. Okay, so I lost when I'm chasing money. When I'm not, it's pretty cool. I had a very cool 2 weeks. No, not 2 weeks. 2 months. Very good 2 months with gold. And sometimes I chase money, sometimes I don't. But I didn't. Um, I wasn't okay to lose money. I wasn't cool. Like if I were on a bad day, let's say my target was 20 euros, 20 euros per trade. I mean per day loss. Well, I could lose around 20, 25, and sometimes maybe more. And I was like, okay, let's enter in another trade. And I won that trade. And I was break even or probably plus a little bit. And it was too risky. But right now, at that point, I mean, I wasn't comfortable because I feel bad. Man, I feel bad with my discipline. I'm not a disciplined trader. It's just luck. And I don't want to build luck. I want to build something on for the long run. I want to be disciplined. I want to know that, man, if with any account, anytime, I'm a disciplined trader, I build confidence, I know what I'm doing, and I don't want to do something like, okay, let's chasing money, let's chasing trades, and let's see what's happened. Because yeah, you can make money this time, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, but once you start to lose, be sure that you can lose all your money because you're just chasing the trade, you see movements, your psychological level is not prepared to lose that much money that you think you can lose. It's a higher impact. So yeah, I just lost 150 and 30 this week. This week was a mistake because I chasing trades. Look, last 3 days, 163 euros from an account that is 500. This is so, I don't know. Look at that, chasing trades. Look at this, chasing trades, minus 30, minus 36. Just chasing trades, 20, 26 plus 25. This is a bullshit, and I don't want to be again here. I don't want to chasing trades again. I'm not comfortable of chasing trades. This is a stupid idea of chasing trades. Yeah, right now gold closed with a high, I mean a big wick candle right here, and if it can break above, yeah, we have easy 30 pips. Easy 30 pips. So yeah, this is the problem. This is the problem. Chasing trades and thinking about money while you're trading is not good. Maybe right now, yeah, I'm okay of lose 150 euros, because it's not that much money. I can add up more, because forex is not my main how we just say, is not my main income stream, okay? And I'm okay with losing money here, but the psychological impact, it was so big, and I want to make a change. And right now I think, and I'm comfortable because I'm doing the right decisions. I'm so okay. My maximum lot size for a $500 euro account was zero point 0.3 lots on a usual, like for a good day. It was like, yeah, around 30 euros. But 30 euros are around 6% per trade, and I chasing money, and sometimes I lost even more. I lost like 12%, 10%, and for long run, it's a stupidity game. It's so stupid for a long run, because if I'm chasing trades when I have a $500 euros account, I will chasing trades when I have $1,000 euros account, okay, and 100,000 and things like this. It doesn't matter the size of your account. What matter is how disciplined you are, because you can be a disciplined trader with $100 account and undisciplined with $1,000 account. It doesn't matter, and this is why it frustrating me for a time that I decided to stop. Okay, probably I've made money, and I withdraw some money from the market, and I feel good. Like, man, I withdraw for a $500 account. I withdraw around 150, and I was, man, it's so cool. Like, the money feels so good in my hands, and it's so cool. But who says I can't withdraw less money and risk 2% per trade? Because risking 2% per trade or per day is safer for your account, okay? Because right now, let's say I can take a trade with one residual ratio with 1 to 2 residual ratio, and it will be $20, okay? With 20 euros, I'm break even, and I have 3 trades in 2 days, and it's just yeah, it is just the start of the week, and it's okay. It's okay to have like 2 small loss day. Yeah. So what? Forex is about to lose. Forex is about to lose. It's it's about of losing money, and it's about of how do you lose the money, and how are you with lose that money, like the psychological impact of losing money. Fucking Mari from future, you will hear this, and probably you will be happy, and you will say thank you, because you are disciplined and you are not chasing trades on 12th October of 2021. You'll be pretty happy, and many promises that you've made at that time will be real, and you'll be cool, okay? This is why I'm doing the live streams, because in the future I'll watch back and see how I was, and this is so cool, and it's great. It's great. It's just a great um, it's just a great feeling. Oh my God! Look, gold start to push down. GJ start to push up. Okay, it's about what I'm saying. What I said. What if I start to buy right now, right here, with a 30 pip stop loss, because it start to move a bit in my direction and then the price will fall? What if? I'd be frustrating. Man, why jump in that trade? Why jump in it? Because you're not disciplined. There is no discipline in buy, sell. Oh my god, cut, buy, sell, cut, right? No, there's no discipline. You have to be chill and you have to be okay with your trade. This is discipline, not buy, sell, and cut. Yeah, buy, sell, and cut, but not at the same time. So yeah, I'm pretty happy right now. I'm so happy. I've lost 2%, man, not today, not this week, but from today I want to start like a new, um, let's say I want to start like a new journey. Okay, I start with $500 account. I will add up some money. I will withdraw some money, probably I lost some money, but I want to make like a journey. And that was so frustrating because yesterday when I lost that amount of money, which is around 130 euros, well, I was so frustrating because I want to record those trades ideas and those trading days, and I traded out of the stream, and it's frustrating me, and I add up some money. I add 131 euros for to start again with 500, and right now this is what I'm doing. I'm going to risk 2% a day. I mean, not a day, but 2% of on a trade, and then start to build up this account. Start to build this account from 500. Yeah, I will add money, but it's okay. I will start to risk 2% of my balance. 2% of my balance. If it's like 600, let's say if the balance is 600, I'm going to lose 2% of 600, which is 12 euros, not more than 12. Well, it can be 13 or 14, but no more than 2%, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.5, 2.9, let's say maximum. No, 2.9 is too much. Let's say 2.5%. 2 and 2.5. Right now I've lost 2.5 of 500, which is 12 and 5. So let's go for today. Today it was like 12 euros right here, but with these commissions applied on trading GJ, I lost 1 more euro. Let's don't put the commissions because they will be higher and higher. Let's talk about the loss, the profit. So the profit, it's around minus 12. Minus 12, it's around 2.4% of the account, which is my maximum of the day. It's the maximum that I'm willing to risk. So yeah, so cool this trade on gold right here. This pushback was incredible. So for the next time, let's see what happened. Okay, so we break below this this support. Let's delete it. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, my target was right here because it was this week. Okay, and we know that where is a week, there was a rejection. So at that price at 70.69.30, it was a rejection. So there was my target. Okay, second, let's take a look on lower time frames. How could I catch this trade next time? Okay, so let's see. 30-minute close like a weak bearish candle right here. Okay, around this area after the touch of 17.69.30. Okay, good. The 15-minute candle close a strong bearish candle. It's almost like engulfing candle. The second one closed like a bullish candle, but we have to pay attention here. It closed bullish, but it wasn't taking the high, it taking the low. So there's a probability that it's increase for a sell than for a buy right now. Okay, let's drop to 5 minutes. Okay, on 5 minutes, what we have right here, it's a strong bearish candle followed it's a weak bullish candle followed by a strong bearish candle. So at that point right here, if you start to sell with a stop around 30 pips, it drops just 30 pips, but the stop could be moved immediately to the break even, and that position will be free, like it's risk free position. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Also, let's take a look at this right here. All right, on GJ. Okay, so I buy GJ right here without the confirmation, but the fact that these 5 minutes don't take the low, it grabs some liquidity from this point right here, and I took a buy right there with a pretty cool stop. All right, so next time I have to wait for the 15-minute candle, which it doesn't move back up bullish, to form a bullish candle and then to enter in that trade. We are also in a bullish run, and yeah, probably it can goes up even more because we don't take the lows right here on 15 and 5 minutes. We don't take the lows, we take the high. We have 3 more minutes. If this candle will close bullish, we can have a stop of 16, 22 or 23 or 27 pips. It depends on our risk, or it can be around 10 pips right here below this area. Okay, we have the support, it can be right there, and the TP is right here at 14 pips because I've changed my bias. Because look, on 4-hour we don't take the low. Okay, on daily we are still bullish, and we can run more to 155. Let's put this at 155 flat. Weekly is bullish, and it can run up to 155, 155.7 or 800. Let's say 800. Yeah, 1 hour it's about to close. I mean, it's bullish run right now. He started moving back bullish. 30-minute don't take the low. It closed with a weak bearish candle, which is so weak. This is a weak candle, okay? And 50-minute just turned into a bullish candle, and right now we break the high, we don't break the lows, we close a strong bullish candle around this daily resistance level. So there can be also a perfect setup right here. We have easily 26 pips. Easily 26 pips. So cool. Let's watch the GJ and how it's going. I like you. You are like me. You like me. I like you.
I like it too.
Okay, let's take a paper trade on GJ right here. Let's see what happened. Okay, about like for this. Let's see if it's okay. 12 pips stop. at that point 1 to 3 risk-reward ratio. Let's put it right here. Okay, after the stop, it's around, it's above, it's right here. Okay, we don't want to see this comes back down. Okay, daily resistance. Okay, here we have another daily resistance, so which is around 1 or 2 to 2 ratio. Yes, it's around 15 pips. Yeah, so cool. All right, so I'm so happy because I don't re-enter in those trades, but I'm watching them and thinking about how I could catch them next time. Sorry. Yeah, another thing that we have to see right now is this rejection level right here, but we break it this time and that time, so yeah, it's not anymore. No, it's okay, it's a pretty cool trade. 30 minutes, it's about to close in 12 minutes. I think there is no way for this one to come back down. Yeah, so cool, so cool. Yeah, it's a perfect trade. Yeah, lovable. Cool. Cool trade. Yeah. Yeah, we break above it. Yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, I think the target will be so easy to catch. How much do you risk on it? Torina, please. And the TP. 35. Yeah, it's so cool. Well, you can wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and after, yeah, 5-minute close in 1 minute. Right here. Okay, so we have to take a look about this. It probably can come back down right here and form such a support at this area and then push back up, or can push back up and find a support right here. Okay, for to drive back up. Yeah, it's so cool. Did you cut something? No, you got a full position here. And what I wanted to say is that look at this. 5 minute, let me go back here. Okay, so 5 minutes is push, so bullish right now. But after this 50-minute candle close, the 30-minute candle will close too, and the 1 hour will close too. Okay, so there is a high probability that this 15-minute candle won't break, it won't take the low. Okay, so you can move your stop right here about 2 pips, I don't know, about the 15-minute candle, above, I mean below it, which is 3 pips. Yeah, and you are almost at break even at that point. Okay, so yeah, look at this, how cool it is, this closure right here. It's so, it can come up straight up. Yeah, well, the TP will be 154,700. This is the target for me. 154,700, which is around 13 pips, the entry point. It's cool. So cool. And probably you can have a runner. You can have a runner run. You can take around 90% of the position right here at 154 700. You can take the 90% of the position, not right now. Okay. And then you can have a run until 155 600. Okay, this can be a run of from that point of 120 pips, which is cool. Okay, which is cool. So yeah, wonderful trade, huh? So cool. We have to watch these 1 minute candles right here. Okay, so we form such a resistance at that point, but once we break above, yeah, it's perfectly fine. Oh right, we break above right now. We break above right now, and 4 3 2 1, okay, we close right up. Yeah, this is a perfect trade. I love it. I just love this trade. So cool. I'm so happy and glad that because you take the trades. And I I suggest you to let it run until this target right here, because there is no point in this. You will not want to, you want to exit it. There's no point. Also, this daily resistance, we break it two times in a row. We break this resistance, so it's not a good resistance in my opinion. Let's see how this 1 minute, look how easily this 1 minute break through it. Okay, so it's just amazing. Okay, let the 5 minute play for you right now, and probably right here. Look at this. It's just wonderful. Cut. 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 Cut there. What if I cut there? There's no. Yeah,
I'm
but
sure I will.
okay, but at that point, look at this closure above. Look at this. It's so cool. The thing is that, in my opinion, we have to let good trades run, uh, and I don't know. Yeah, pretty cool that you cut there because it retraced a bit, but I didn't see it. Actually, I'll take it, like I'll leave it for until right here 154 700, and probably move my stop right there around 2-3 pips. Okay, it's pretty cool. We got around 17 pips, 18 pips at that point on this trade. It's so amazing. For GJ, it's so amazing. On gold, we start to move bearish again. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, this is another trade that I've seen here. Yeah, the stop is so high and so big. All right. Okay, 5 minute close, like a weak candle. Yeah, probably we can take partials here, but it's not necessary. It's about how you're comfortable right here. It's how we are comfortable. Just about your comfort level. So it's just about your comfort level at that point. Because we are so bullish on 30 and 15 minutes. and yeah, 1 hour, it's about to close bullish in, I mean, not bullish, but it's about to close in 4 minutes, 30 minutes too, 50 minutes too, and the target, it's pretty cool. Okay, on 1 minute, we just make a retest at that level right here, and we just start to move bullish again. Yeah, I'm so happy with this range right here. I mean the target, not the range. Yeah, it's so cool. Just a good trade. Yeah, it's so cool. Okay, let's see. Nice, 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 nice. We almost break the high. Once we break this high, oh, we break it. Okay, yeah, clean traffic through this point right here. So cool. Love it. Nice. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, cool trade. I didn't expect this volume on your session on GJ, but just go. So cool. Yeah, at that point, with position secured and the, the stop at break even, we shall be good. I didn't trade the trade, but I'm happy because Sorina took it to Cess, or how what's her name, Ducesa? Yeah, so cool. Yeah, again, this little pattern that we are talking about earlier. Let me take it, okay. Yeah, probably can move like this. I've seen it many times, but today it didn't work on GJ and gold. It just didn't work. I don't know. Probably it's wrong, but I've seen it many times and it works. So it worked out. We just have to wait right now. 25 seconds for this candle to close, and it seems like if we are breaking above this right here, we form that pattern, but I don't know. We have to wait for this candle to close bullish and probably continue up until 154, 600, and then retrace again to 154, 540. Yeah, it closed up weak bullish right here. It's almost a doji, but it have potential to go up on 1 minute time. Okay, 5 minute close bullish after a bearish candle right here, and it took the high here, right here. Yeah, it looks so cool. 15-minute candle close bullish, 30-minute candle close bullish, 1 hour close bullish. So cool. 4 hour. Let's see, 4 hour can turn bullish at that point and maybe take this high at 154,835, and let's just see. Yeah, we start looking up. Let's go 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. That there is two bullish candle. So cool. And we took the highs. We don't took the lows. Basically, the all time frames say this. Tell us the same thing. Okay. In my opinion, it doesn't matter what time frame do you use. What matter is that you have to tell a story of all the time frames, and this is why I want to be so good to tell a story about all the time frame right here, to know when exactly to exit, exactly to enter in a trade, and sorry, when is the perfect time to add position, especially when is the perfect time to add position in that trade. Okay. Yep. It's so cool. I really enjoy this trade. Again, I'm not in it, but I'm happy with it because I call it. So it was wonderful. Wonderful. Fun. Okay. Alright, so we start to move again bullish on 1 minute right here. It's a strong bullish candle. Let's see how this is about to close, because we can flip so fast in a bearish candle, but nope. Straight bullish this candle. This one is straight bullish. Oh, and the 5 minute close bullish too. Let's see how this will continue right here. Let's see if we can break the high. If we can break the high right here, then this is a good trade. We have to wait. We have to wait. And yeah, this is probably the pattern that I'm watching all this time. And this is why I was earlier in this trade right here. Yeah, this is why I was so early in that trade. Well, here, there was a perfect entry. Cool. 10 pips top. So cool. Just love it. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, so 1 minute. Okay, we just break through above, through this resistance right here, and we start moving up. We break the high on 5-minute candle right here. On 50-minute candle, we have to break this at 154,585. Okay, about 585. We can have clean traffic until this target right here. Cool. Okay. Yeah, so cool. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. Okay, we don't take the low, we take the high. Cool. 1 minute moves like shit at that point. Yeah, I don't know if we have enough volume. Did I miss something? Are there news? Okay, we have news right now. Actually, it started to speak, and I don't know if it's so strong, if it can move that. Okay, look what moved the gold and GJ at 17 o'clock. 17 o'clock. Okay, 17. This right here. Okay, this was a bad numbers here. Joel's jobs opening 10.44 million. So let's see. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So we have less people. Number of jobs opening during the report did not explain the farming industry. Okay, so there are less jobs. This is bad for bad for currency, bad for USD, and we are bad on this one too. What? Let me check. 70. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, it was kinda ranging here. Yeah, I don't know, but on GJ it was a very high impact because after 17 we just start moving bullish. Okay, understood. I understand why we've moved that high. Okay. Alright, so at that point I'm comfortable with the trade. Let's say we move our stop right here, we don't take any profits, and we waiting for this TP to be taken above. Okay, 154,700 right here. Okay. Alright. This is awesome. This is awesome. Okay. Okay, there's no more volume. Yeah, okay. There's no more volume in the market right now until 1930 or 20. But yeah, there's no more volume here. And I don't know. I'm not going to take any trades right now because I explained it earlier. I'm going to close the live stream right here. It was a pretty cool trading day. I learned a lot and hope tomorrow I'll be better, and the day after tomorrow, and things like this. I want it to be better and better. Okay, so yeah, pretty cool day. Take care.